Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. My name is Szabi and I have a very exciting news to announce today. So yesterday I just made a video on the Envato Elite program changing, and I said that they will start out rolling out cash rewards instead of the packages they were sending out until now. And I am between the last ones that receive a package because they passed a threshold in sales. So I am happy to announce that I am just back from the post office and I got the package. So here it is. This is my big care package from Envato. I will make an unboxing video tomorrow because I cannot do it today because my schedule is full, but by tomorrow you will see the unboxing video of this package. So I am really excited to open it and to see what goodies it may hold inside. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel to get notified of the future videos. Also hit the bell notification to get in your notification area a pop-up that tells that the new video is ready. So stay tuned guys, and thank you for your support for reaching this package. Okay, so this is all for now. Until next time, have a great day. Over and out, and tomorrow we'll meet with the unboxing video. Bye.